Okay, last time we have completed exercise 2.2, and from exercise 2.2, so there are 4 or 5 questions, and from each question I did only one, and the rest I told you to do, and I hope you all have done. And if you have got any confused, you have to ask to me. I have told you like that last time, but nobody had asked anything. So if you have asked, that means I will prepare about those doubt also. But since you did not ask, I did not prepare about exercise 2.2 again. So I will be preparing now exercise 2.3, question number 1, Roman number 1. But once more, I want to tell you. So if you have got any confusion in any question, you just have to ask me. So for that question, I can prepare another class for you again. So last time I had finished 2.2. From there, if you have any problem, you can ask me now also, and then I can make the video on that doubt question on the next time. So today let us do this one, and your question is find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by Roman number 1 x plus 1. So we are going to find what will be the remainder if you will divide that polynomial by this polynomial. So what we will do, they did not mention here the method, what method we are going to use. So we will be using the same method what we are doing in exercise 2.2. First of all, we will find the zero of this second polynomial. So now let us write the zero of this polynomial. That is x plus 1 will be equals to 0. Last time I had explained about this question. So whenever we will calculate the zeros of the polynomial, you have to put equals to 0. So what you will get now, x equals to 1, you move to the right side, it will become negative. So the value of x became minus 1. So, and you bring the first polynomial, this one. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So in all the value of x, you put it this value now. X cube means minus 1 cube. Then again here plus 3x square means 3 will remain same. X square means it will be minus 1 square. Then plus, now 3x means 3 into value of x, that is minus 1. Then plus at last 1. Now what you will do? You open this bracket with cube. So when the power is odd number, this minus symbol will come here. If even number, minus symbol will not come. You have to remember that. So minus 1, if you multiply 3 times, it will come again minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1, like this. Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. If you will multiply these 3, then you will get the answer is minus 1. Now this one, 3 you keep same. This minus 1 into minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. If you multiply, it will become plus 1. When you multiply 2 times, your symbol will change. 3 times, it will remain same. 4 times, it will change. 5 times, it will remain same. So into 1. Now this you can multiply. 3 into 1 is 3 and plus into minus is minus. Then plus 1. Now again once more we will multiply this, after that we will solve. Minus 1 plus 3, 3 into 1 is 3, minus 3 plus 1. Now look at here, this and this are same, and this is minus, this is plus. So you can cancel both. Again these two also same thing. Plus 3 minus 3 you can cancel. So first of all you cancel this 2. Again you cancel these two, then all the value are cancelled, then your answer will be 0. So the remainder will be 0. So now let us see the next question, that is question number 2. Question number 2. Question 1, remaining numbers you will be doing yourself. Okay. So question number 2, your question is find the remainder when x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a is divided by x minus a. X minus a. This is x. So the x minus a. So your answer you will be doing like before now. First x minus a. This one you will bring here and find the zeros of this value. So you will get x is equals to a. This is minus. When it goes right side, it will become plus. Then now you bring it this of what? This polynomial. That is x cube minus ax square plus 6x minus a. So what you will do? Instead of x you can put a now, because the value of x is a. So what you will do? X square means x cube means a cube. See, I am using this value. Okay. X equals to a. So instead of x it will be a. Minus this a you write first into what is the value of x square? So you bring this one, that is a square plus 6 into what is the value of x? A minus this a you bring it. So now x cube means a cube, so it will remain same, a cube minus a into a square. It will become a cube. Here 2, here 1, it will become 3, a cube. Then this and this multiply plus. See, sometimes you all used to make mistake by subtracting these two. You cannot do that because this is a one term. So these two have to come down. 6 into a, 6a minus a. Now, like previous question, you can see these two value are same. They are like term. And one is plus, one is minus. So you can cancel. Then remain only 6a minus a. You look. So these two, 6a minus a, these two they are like term. So since they are like term, we can subtract it. So a means it is 1a. You have to think that it is like this. 6a minus 1. You have to think it is like this. Then 6 minus 1 is 5. So a will remain as common. That is variable. So it will become 5a. So your answer is 5a. So this is the end of question number 2. This is question 2. Okay. Then question number 3. I will be just explaining you, so you will be doing this question. Your question is, say whether 7 plus 3x is a factor of 3x cube plus 7x or not. So what it will become? Instead of this, it will come 7 plus 3x. It will come 7 plus 3x. Then instead of this one, it will come, that is 3x cube plus 7x. Then what you will do? From here you will find the 0 of the polynomial first. 7 plus 3x equals to 0. That is 3x equals to minus 7. X equals to minus 7 by 3. And this value you will put instead of x here and you will just calculate it here. Then when you calculate, if you got the answer 0 at last, then you have to write yes, it is a factor. And if you got the answer other than 0 here, then you have to write no, it is not a factor. Only that much you have to do. The process is same. So today also in question number 1, Roman number 2, 3, 4, 5, you will try. In question number 3, you will try. And if you have any problem, you just ask me. So last time also I told you to ask, but you did not ask. So if you have any problem, you can ask me and I can explain on the next class. So okay, only this much for today.